Hey everyone, welcome back to 25 Sweetpeas and welcome to day 2 of Nailmas 2019. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create these really cute holly berry nails that you could either wear as a full manicure like I am doing here, or you could easily just do this as an accent nail. Whatever you want is up to you. So first up, I'm going to start with 2 coats of a gold polish. In this case, I'm using the Moonshine Mani Fahu Feroza, and this is from their new collection that I also posted about today, so I'll link that down below so you guys can check out that video if you would like. But now that that is on and dried, I'm going in with my Orly short detailer brush and some evergreen green acrylic paint, and I am putting basically 2 diamond shapes on top of each other to create the holly leaf. And I'm going to do these in pairs of 2 all over the nail, and I'm going to leave like space where I might want to put the berries. And you kind of want to plan this design ahead and think like, do you want to put 2 or 3 berries here? Do you want them in between 2 leaves? Do you want them to the bottom? Just kind of think it through and then do your holly leaves based off that. So maybe find a reference picture online, or you can screenshot the final look that I have here, or when I post them on Instagram you can screenshot that and you can kind of use that for placement ideas. But really, it's a really easy and fun manicure to do, and like I said earlier, this would make such a fun, just like a simple accent nail if you didn't want to do all over nails. But of course I went a little crazy and did all of them. So let's finish these up. Now that I have the leaves all done, I'm going to go in with some lighter green shade actually, and I'm going and put like little lines in the center of the holly leaves just to give the leaves a little bit more dimension. And on one of those leaves my line was way too thick, so off camera I did kind of darken that up a bit by putting a little bit of the darker green on top of it again. So you kind of just want to be careful. You can do this as much or as little as you want, or you could completely skip that step if you wanted to. But then after that is done and I feel like the leaves are good to go, I decided to go in with a medium-sized dotting tool and do like clusters of 3 red dots that were gonna be my berries. And this isn't the only step to the berries, so you want to pick like your traditional red, and then you kind of want to have like a burgundy or like a maroon paint on hand as well, because now I'm going to go in with kind of a burgundy shade and I'm going to put a little bit of the burgundy paint on like the bottoms of the berries. So on the side of the berries, that's like the tip of my nail is what I'm like considering the bottom of the nail, of the berry I mean, and that is where I'm putting that burgundy paint to kind of deepen it up and give it a bit more of a defined shape. Then once that is done and dry, I like to finish this off with a little like white dot on each berry just to give it, you know, kind of like a little glare look, which I feel like you get on holly berries that you see like on holiday pics and things like that. It really just adds to it and makes the berry, in my opinion. So I'm going to do that on all of the berries, and I'm going to try to keep it consistent. So if I'm putting it on the right side of the berry, I'm going to continue to do that across the whole manicure and all of the berries, so it looks like the light source is coming from the same direction. And then after that is all done and all dried, I'm going to go in with a top coat of my choice or your choice, whichever you want, and top off my design once it's all dry. Today I did decide to go with a matte top coat, and I'm using the Hansen Big Matte Top today. And while it looks shiny here, it does dry down to this matte finish that I'm getting here, while the gold still looks really nice and sparkly, yet the design doesn't have any glares, which I personally like for photo purposes. But of course, if you're just doing these for fun, you could go with a shiny manicure if you wanted, and it would look just as good. But there is day 2 of Nailmas, and we've got some fun holly berry nails. That is it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys are enjoying this series so far. I'm having so much fun, and I'm so glad you guys enjoyed yesterday's nails. So that is it. I will see you back here tomorrow for day 3. I can't wait, and I think that's it. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!